Hi, Monavie, Alan and Carrie Larson here from the Grand Wailea in beautiful Hawaii. We wish you were here with us. We've done this every year for the last 5 years. You get to Diamond, all expense paid trip for two to the 5-star resort, the Grand Wailea. So we're doing it again next year, September of 2012. And we want you there. We've had a wonderful 4 or 5 days together, swimming, enjoying the beach, having a luau, but mainly reconnecting one with another of people from all over the world who are united with a common cause of doing good in the world and making a difference. This is the Monavie family. We're going on our 7th year, and I want to tell you that we're just getting this thing started. We're traveling the world together, we're having fun, we're helping people, and we're making money. And I want you to know that our best days are in front of us. We're so grateful to be surrounded by such amazing people from around the world here in Hawaii this week. These are our diamonds, our blue diamonds, our Hawaiian blue diamonds, our black diamonds, our royal black diamonds, our presidential, imperial, crown, and double crown black diamonds. These are your leaders, and it's our pleasure and privilege to be in their service, as it is our pleasure and privilege to be in your service. I give you my word as founder, chairman, and CEO of Monavie that our best days are ahead of us, and I'll continue doing everything in my power to make sure that your decision to join Monavie turns out to be one of the great decisions in your life, as we bless your life and the lives of your families, so that as we're in this dash, we're continuing to make a difference, that we can truly go from success to significance. So, from Maui, Hawaii, God bless you and your family, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next voice text message and on the stages of the world as we share this amazing product from the Amazon. God bless you and your family. And now I would like you to say hello and to hear from all of the diamonds who joined us on this amazing trip to Hawaii in 2011. God bless you and your families. Thank you.